In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send invoices using Wix. Whether you're managing a small business or looking for a streamlined way to handle your financial transactions, Wix offers a comprehensive solution for creating and sending invoices directly to your clients. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to Wix's login page. Open your preferred web browser and type in wix.com. or search for Wix login in Google if that's easier for you. Once you're on the website, log into your account using your credentials. If you haven't used Wix in a while, now might be a good time to ensure your account details are up to date. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Here you need to choose which site you want to manage. Look for the Select Site option and click on it. This will present a list of your current Wix sites if you have more than one. Choose the site associated with the business you want to create invoices for. Next, within the site's dashboard, locate the option that says Getting Paid. This is where Wix compiles all its payment solutions, making it easier for you to manage everything from one central location. By clicking Getting Paid, you open a range of tools that Wix provides to support business transactions. Now focus your attention on Invoices. Click it, and you'll be guided to the Invoice section. If it's your first time here, look for the Get Started button. This step will help you set up the necessary tools to create invoices uniquely tailored for your business needs. At this point, you'll need to add some essential business information. Input your business name and business email. This information will be automatically integrated into the invoices, giving them a professional touch and ensuring your clients have your correct contact details. Once you've filled out this information, go ahead and click Add Info to save these details. Now it's time to create a new invoice. Begin by filling in your customer's email address. It's crucial that this information is accurate. Double-check if necessary to avoid sending the invoice to the wrong person. You also need to select the specific product or service you are billing them for. Wix allows you to choose from items you've listed in your catalog. Add any necessary notes that will accompany the invoice. These can be used for additional details or special instructions tailored to your client. After that, set the terms of the invoice. This covers the payment time frame and any conditions you need to outline to your client. Finally, with everything in place, click on Send Invoice. A confirmation will inform you that the invoice has been sent. It's a straightforward way to maintain clear, effective communication with your clients, backed by Wix's user-friendly interface. And there you have it, a complete guide to sending invoices using Wix. This process not only ensures your business maintains a professional appearance, but also helps you manage payments more efficiently. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.